Okay children, so next let us discuss 8th problem. So before that, once I will explain 7th one. See, we have a linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the given equation. Write another linear equation in two variables x and y such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines. See, this is the given equation. For this you have to write one more equation. If you compare these two equations, you have to get intersecting lines. Okay children? So means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 you should get. So by your own you can take any. So suppose I am taking 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. See, if you compare these, you are getting a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Like, now write two more equations, two equations you should write. So in this, one form a pair of parallel. One is parallel, other one is coincident lines. Means here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 you should get. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. By your own you write any equations children, no problem, but these three conditions are should be satisfied, right? So now let us discuss 8th one. So here the area of rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units. Reduced here. Reduced means decreasing. Okay children? Remember that. 80 square units if length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. Means if the length of rectangle x, breadth of rectangle y. So in this, if length if you decrease 5, breadth if you increase 2, then the original area means if length x, breadth y, the area xy, no? This area decreased 80 square units. When the length if you decrease 5, breadth if you increase 2 units. Okay children? So conditions are very important. See, solution. Let the length of rectangle, how much children? Take x units. Let the breadth of rectangle y units. First find out original area. So the area of rectangle, formula L into B, but here L x, breadth y means xy square units. Okay children? Right. So the first condition is the area of a rectangle gets reduced, of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if, what is the condition? Its length is reduced by, its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. Okay children, so based on this condition is equals to, first I am taking area, 80 square units reduced means subtraction, original area xy minus 80, when it is possible, if length is reduced by 5, x minus 5, and breadth is increased by 2, y plus 2. Then x into y xy plus x into 2 2x minus 5y minus 10 is equal to xy minus 80. xy cancel, then 2x minus 5y, this 10 transpose minus 80 plus 10, then 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 70. Okay, from this I am finding x value as our wish. We can find out x value, we can find out y value, no problem. So 2x is equal to minus 70 plus 5y, then x is equal to minus 70 plus 5y by 2. This is the equation number 1. Now here right, second condition, what is that? If we increase the length by 10 units, if increase length by 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units. Okay children, the area will increase by 50. The area will increase by 50 square units. So according to this condition, right, so xy plus 50, then increase length by 10, x plus 10, decrease breadth by 5, y minus 5, then x into y xy plus, x into minus 5 minus 5x, then 10 into y 10y minus 50 is equal to xy plus 50. xy cancel, then minus 50 won't get cancelled children here, because then here both sides different symbols are there. Then minus 5x plus 10y is equal to 50 plus 50. Then minus 5x plus 10y is equal to 100. Then if you take minus common, x minus 2y is equal to 100. Then x minus 2y is equal to 100 by minus 5 ones are 5 20s are. So x minus 2y is equal to minus 20. This is the equation number 2. Okay children? So here what is, right, x value, first from the first equation we are getting x value, no, that value substitute here, x value substitute in equation number 2. So x value this one, minus 70 plus 5y by 2 minus 2y is equal to minus 20. LCM here, 2 LCM minus 70 plus 5y minus 2y is equal to minus 20. Then these two transpose, minus 70, 5y minus, here minus 4y children, minus 4y. because 1 2s are 2 2s are 4, no, right? So my what is plus 5y minus 4yy by 2 is equal to minus 20. Then minus 70 plus y is equal to minus 40, transpose here. Then transpose, then y is equal to minus 40 plus 70, y is equal to 30. So 30 units. This is y value. Then y value, substitute in equation number 1. What is the first equation? This is. So here x is equal to minus 70 plus 5 into 30 by 2. Yes. Then minus 70, 35 is 150 by 2. So 150 minus 70, 80. 80 by 2. 2 ones are 2 40s are. So x is equal to 40 meters. Sorry, units. So what, children, here? Therefore, the length of rectangle is equals to, what is x? 40 units. Then the breadth of rectangle is equals to y value, how much? 30 units. 40 30 is a area. So 1200. Okay. Then if you here the first condition decreased by 5 units means 35, increased by 2 units means 32. Then 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6 7, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 10. How much? 0 to 11. So 11,020. Then area will decrease 80. So means minus 80. So 11,020. Both we are getting same answer. Okay, children? So that's why the length of rectangle 40 units, the breadth of rectangle 30 units. Okay, children? So here the next problem we'll discuss in the next video.